The Lion and the Moose. What is this? The Lion said, drilling frae his jaws, as he looked doon at a wee toty moose, grasp it in his paws. Mercy, Sir Lion, said the moose, please just let me be. I'm not even a snack for you, being sae awfy wee. If you let me go noo, I aywes will be grateful. I'll help you in time of need, if your karma should prove fateful. The Lion said, dinna make me laugh, help me wi' all my power. Sic a thing might come to be, if hell should e'er freeze ower. The Lion wasna that hungry. Lucky for the moose. He slackened off his deedly grasp, and he let the wee moose loose. 2 days later, the moose was out. He heard an anguished roar. He found the lion in a hunter's net. Time now to settle the score. The moosey gnawed right through the net, laughing to his sell. That's you free now, king of beasts, it must be cold in hell. The grateful lion thanked the moose, as they walked hame through the scrub. Then they drank their friendship to the lees, when they detoured to the pub.